to do things with full attention from morning till evening, anything you do. This way you will be training your mind. You will not have to fight the way you are fighting today for meditation. You have never tried to discipline your mind. Your mind can be disciplined once you understand the word Pratyahara, which I explained yesterday. How to voluntarily disconnect for the time being your senses from the mind. Because mind has employed 10 senses. And the moment your mind becomes active, 10 senses become active. 10 senses are totally dependent on the mind. You see. Outer force has no power. Outer force influences your mind, and your mind motivates your senses. So voluntarily, if you are able to withdraw the senses, I have seen children. Some of the children are so much one-pointed from the very beginning. If you know, Dr. B has a son, Skylar. In the beginning, I thought this boy is very obstinate. But slowly I studied him. He is not obstinate. He's very one-pointed mind. If he's doing something, Skylar, he wouldn't listen. I said, Skylar! He said, Baba, don't shout. I am reading. Later on, I found out that which I cultivated for a long time, he already has it. But nobody encourages him. Nobody tells him how to go to next step. So some of the children have that. Some of the children, most of the children have that deep diaphragmatic breathing automatically. Because of your hectic living, bad thinking, as thought influences the breath, your whole breathing system, respiratory system, which controls other systems medically, you see, changes the motion of lungs, your breath is changed. And you think by changing the breath behavior, you will be happy? No. The flying wheel that is machine in your body is disturbed. Body cannot be in peace, at peace. You will remain agitated all the time, exactly like the horse. If you put a little nail on the saddle and ride the horse, that nail will prick the horse, can never run nicely. You agitate yourself doing all that. So better learn few simple things. If you want to practice, do not fight, just to practice.